as you take a look here, I have line 1 going in tied to 7, line 2 going into 8, line 3, wire 3 and 9 tied together, and 6, 5, and 4 all together. And if you look here, this is what it would look like. If you look at these wires here, you can see on the wire the 6 with the line underneath it, the 4 and the 5 all tied together. I have a white wire. This might be orange, but I'm using the white wire as my number 3. Again, if you wire it up wrong, just reverse through the legs. There's the 3, and there's the 9. 3 and 9. The black wire is 7 and 1. And you can see the 7 and 1 right there attached to the black. And the 2 and the 8 tied to the red. And you can see that right there for the low voltage setup. This would run off of the 230 volt setup. Okay? Again, this is for a classroom. I'm just showing you what this wiring will look like. I would tie the green together. I just didn't decide to do that because I didn't want to manipulate it, but that's how you would wire it up in the real world.